Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Mystery from K-pop Demon Hunters. So first we're going to get started with curving the hair across the face. So we're going to curve this line out and then back in. We're going to start on the right, curving this line down and then back up. Again on the right, stepping further up, we're going to curve this line over and then back through towards the top. And then one last time, we're going to bring this line out towards the right. And then from that point, just curving this back around and up towards the top. Let's come across on the left-hand side. Now we're going to step further up on this line, curving this out towards the left. And then from that point, bringing this over and through towards the top. We're going to step up on this line again, curving this out and back in. And then one last time, we're just going to bring this line over and then from that point, curving this up towards the top. Let's close off the rest of the hair now. So we're going to come out on the left-hand side, bringing this line out on a diagonal, curving this line in. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, curving this out and then bringing that through towards the top. We're going to extend this line through. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line up and we're going to arch this in as we come in towards the top right. And then we're going to close this off on the top. So on the left, from that point, we're going to curve this up and we're going to arch this all the way around, coming down on a diagonal as we join this line together. Let's drop under now and close off the face. So we're going to start underneath the hair, curving this line around and in for the chin. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to come underneath the hair, following that line through on the bottom, curving this around and then back in, blending that together in the chin. Let's draw on the nose on the left-hand side, curving this over and across, leaving a small gap, curving this around and back in. Let's draw on the mouth. We're going to draw on a small bracket on the right-hand side. And then from the center, we're just going to curve this line over and across. Let's move underneath for the chin, and we're going to arch this line around and through. Now let's draw on the ear. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to draw on a small curved line underneath our hair on the left. For the earring, we're going to draw on a small circle, connecting that to the hair on the right. And then we're going to draw on a small circle on the left. We're going to draw on a straight line directly across. And then we're going to draw on two diagonal lines joining at a point underneath our earring. Let's move down now. We're going to leave a small gap and we're just going to draw on a curved line from left to right. And then we're going to close off the neck by stepping in and drawing in a straight line that comes up towards the chin on both sides. Let's draw on the collar of the shirt. We're going to curve this out and down on a diagonal on both sides. And we're going to end that at the same height. Let's curve this line out for the shoulders now. So we're going to arch this over and through on the left. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right as we step across. We're going to close this off now with a nice big arch line. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line over and through towards the center. And then we're going to start back on this line, continuing to bring this around and through on the right, connecting that together. Right in the center now, we're going to draw on a straight line that comes up. And then from here, we're going to curve this over and through towards the top on both sides. We're going to step over on the left, leaving a gap, arching this around, and then back down towards the bottom. Let's close off the hair coming in behind. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out and then back in. We're going to do the same thing on the right. And then one last time from that corner, we're just going to curve this out towards the shoulder. Now on the right-hand side, let's draw on a diamond. So from the top here, we're going to curve this out on the left and right-hand side. And then from that corner again, we're going to curve this through and then down towards the bottom. Now as we come over on the collar of the shirt, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming out on both sides. And then we're going to replicate that as we move through, and we're just going to leave an even amount of space as we come up, drawing in our diagonal lines. And then we're going to flip over on the left-hand side, and we're just going to replicate that again one more time. And that is it. That's how you draw Mystery from K-pop Demon Hunters. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.